Ndewono, Ndioma, kedukunu merita. My people, how on a day today? Welcome back to Learn Igbo with Naza. Do you know how Igbo people greet? Don't worry, in this video, we're going to talk about how we greet in Igbo land, how you greet an Igbo person whenever you see them. But before we get to class, I want you to do something for me, okay? That button, subscribe, click on it to subscribe. Now, the thing, you are here already. Click on it, subscribe, like, share to everybody that love everything about the Igbos, and comment. All right, let's get to class. Welcome to class, guys. So the first greeting we are looking at is Ndewo. Ndewo as hello. Ndewo. Let's say it together. Ndewo. Next one is Jisike. Well done. Jisike. Well done. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good morning. Ehihie ọma. Good afternoon. Ehihie ọma. Good afternoon. Mgbede ọma. Good evening. Mgbede ọma. Good evening. Kachifo. Good night. Kachifo. Good night. Abalị ọma. Good night. Abalị ọma. Good night. So it's either you say kachifo as good night or you say abalị ọma, good night. Gbalịala. Congratulations. Gbalịala. Congratulations. Literally, this means you've tried. Gbalịala. Congratulations. Ezi ncheta ọmụmụ. Happy birthday. Ezi ncheta ọmụmụ. Happy birthday. Gaa nke ọma. Safe trip or safe journey. Gaa nke ọma. Safe trip or safe journey. Iwe ewela gị. Iwe ewela gị. Don't be offended. Iwe ewela gị. Don't be offended. Biko kara obi. Biko kara obi. Please take heart. Biko kara obi. Please take heart. Ọ ga-adịcha mma. Ọ ga-adịcha mma. It will be well. Ọ ga-adịcha mma. It will be well. Ọ dị mma is all good. Ọ dị mma is all good. Now you can also see people, you hear people using this as later. Ọ dị mma is all good. Chukwu gọzie gị. God bless you. Chukwu gọzie gị. God bless you. Imeela or daalụ. Thank you. Imeela or daalụ. Thank you. Ka ọ dị. Goodbye or later. Ka ọ dị. Goodbye or later. How was class? Hope you learned a whole lot of greetings. I know that when next you see an Igbo person, you know exactly what to greet at every or any time. Before we go, I want you down in the comment section, tell me what you would tell your teacher after a very educating class. All right, guys, I'm gonna bye.